back again. Tonight we're going to do a New Year's makeup look. It is not currently New Year's. I'm probably going to do the look that I'll do for actual New Year's. It'll be after New Year's, but these are some good ideas. So I think I've got the next, was it the last couple of makeup looks? I don't even remember which one I posted now, but this one will be before New Year's for sure. It's a pretty quick look. I'm not going to do full makeup. So like I notice whenever I do my makeup, and like I do foundation and powder, it looks a little cakey, and by the end of the night you can see the lines and stuff. So I'm going to do a little bit more of a natural look, but it's still going to look full glam, if that makes sense. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I have moisturized, but I'm going to add some of this Danessa Myricks Beauty. This is the Yummy Skin Moisture Repair Balm Serum, moisturizing repairing balm serum for face and body, and it's just going to add a little bit of glow to my skin. It smells good. The Patrick Ta one smells. Actually, you know what? I wonder if I should use the Patrick Ta instead. They both give moisture. They're really, really nice. I wouldn't just use them for elbows or whatever. I actually use it on my face. Okay, so these balms are probably like, I mean, I don't use them every time, but I feel like they're probably one of the best kept beauty secrets for myself personally. I don't know about everybody, but I really like these balms. And they give you, I think this even has a hint of shimmer. I don't know. But it's any makeup I put on my face, it probably would melt right off. But I'm going to go in with like very minimal makeup, and I'll probably powder just a little bit, but not enough to take away that glow. But I just don't want, the powder and the foundation to cover up my natural skin right now. But I'm going to do red lips for New Year's. I think it's going to be beautiful. It's technically not even Christmas yet, so this could be a Christmas or a New Year's look. I'm just going to moisturize everything here. I just love the way this makes my skin feel. And this is really nice to like wear out in summer too, because it kind of gives your skin a little bit of that shimmery sheen. But especially in winter when it's actually really dry, it's really nice to have this on. Okay, so I think that's good. I'm going to go ahead and do eyebrows first. I'll probably use my Rare Beauty Brow Harmony pencil, only because it's right in front of me, but also because it gets the job done really, really quickly. Okay, I'm using my favorite. I'm actually running out of it. It got short really, really quickly. It goes the best with the color that I pick for red lips. It is the L'Oreal Color Rich Matte Sharpenable Lip Pencil or Lip Liner in the shade 102 In-Matte-Uated with you. Okay, and now I'm going to add some bronzer. I think today we'll do powder. Or do we want to do powder? Maybe I lied. Let's do Nars. It's really nice. It's one of my best bronzers that I've ever had. I'm going to use my cream brush here. Okay, so then I'm going to spot touch with concealer, bring up the contour a little bit on my cheek. And then after doing that, I'm just going to go back in with my blending brush. No more product added, and just blend that out. So you get like this beautiful blend, and it doesn't look like really weird or different. Okay, and then I'm also going to go in with a cream blush because of all the red tones. Instead of going in with pink, I'm going to go in with more of a red color. So this is Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veil Cream Blush in Just Peachy by Makeup by Mario. Okay, and I'm going to use my powder brush for this, but it's going to go on really nice. I touch on the nose. I'm going to add a bit of highlighter. Add the Rare Beauty Exhilarate highlighter. That's the name of the shade, Exhilarate. Can't remember the name of this blush or this highlighter though. Okay, and then I'm going to line my eyes. Let's see. Actually, I'm not going to line my eyes. We're going to do liner just on the upper lash line, and then I'm going to pile on mascara and lashes, and then we'll finish off the lips. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm finished my eyelashes. Everything looks pretty good. I'm looking really, really shiny. They're not used to it, so I'm going to powder just a little bit. It looks beautiful and glowy, but yeah, it's just a little bit too much shiny for me. I'm just going to use a light amount of powder. It's the Makeup by Mario. Okay guys, so that is it for this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I didn't really talk too much, but I was trying to hurry. So thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe, click on that bell button, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy New Year's, y'all.